What's up, everybody? This is Alex here, and this is something I've been working on for a good while now, and I would love to present to y'all and explain how you guys could use this as efficiently and beneficial as possible. So this is the Stock Market Society Excel sheet. Now, there are a few pages on it. You will be able to add more, do whatever you'd like. Here, I'll explain the first one. This is for option trading. This is for all option trades. So what this does is, let's say, for example, I take a trade today is for, I believe it's like the 18th, I believe, 1820. This is the date I took the trade. The ticker, say, for example, is Apple. Expiration, let's say it's for next week, the 24th, so 4/24. And I got the 300 strike calls. Now, the number of contracts I got, let's say, was 1. My buy price, let's say I paid 90 cents for this contract. Let's say I ended up selling for a gain of 120. Right here, this will tell you the gain you have received from the contract, 33%, and how much money you have actually earned from that contract, which is $30. You bought one contract at 90 cents, you sold it at 120, you received $30. Here, I could write a note. Exited early. Didn't notice a change of reversal. I was just. And now here on the notes, you can leave any notes you want. Let's say you type too much. Here, I'll type it out, for example. So you type too much that it can contain your actual note. All you got to do is right here, go and double click right here, and it will extend your note for you. Now, another great aspect that you could use on this option trading page, not only will you keep track of your trades, but you could manage risk this way. So here you could begin with your account start value. Let's say it's 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 1,500, whichever. You put the account start value there. Your current account value, like I said, you will be starting with an account, so it is what you like. And it will tell you your max position size with risk management. So if you're using 10% risk management on every position, you're allowed to drop 200 on every trade. Now, let's say you want to change it and you're a little bit more risk adverse. You want to use 5%. There you go. It tells you how much money you got to use per position. Let's say you like some risk, so you want to use 20% of your account. It will tell you right here how much your max position size is. Let's go back to 10%, for example. I think 10% is a good size. 10 to 20. I think you do need to put out money to make money. You don't need to be as safe. Definitely paper trade. Learn how to use the platform. Learn how to execute trades as efficiently as possible. Yes, this is just an example, but let's say, as you could see, we're getting $30. So let's say change this to 2030. It will tell you how much your account has gained year to date. So this is just some cool features for the option trading part of the Excel sheet. Here is your financial report, your annual financial report. Now, the way this works is it is connected to the financial data input. So here you could say this is for 2019, 2020. So if you took trades in 2019, you will be able to log them. If you have not, don't worry, just begin here. It is no issue. It will still look clean. It will still look fine. Let's say at the start of 2020, we netted $500. We made 500 at the start of 2020. Here we made 0. Now I would recommend, if you guys did not take any trades in 2019, put it all at 0, so the Excel does not get confused. Let's say the next month we made 350. Sorry about that. As you can see here, year to date, it tells you how much you made for that year. Let's say this is, in those 2 months we took 25 trades, and we lost 5. This is just an example, everyone. It tells you what is your chances of losing. So you have a 20% chance of losing, which is somewhat beneficial. You want to know your percentage. You want to be able to increase that percentage, be as consistent as possible. Now, if we go back to the financial report, here are some key things you could see. Last year, you netted $0, $0, $0. This year, you don't need to type this out. It does it for you automatically. It tells you how much you have gained per year. Win and losses, it tells you all here. Total win and losses, 30. This is how many trades you took. Now, as you can see here, it tells you the year-to-date gain, total win and losses, wins, losses, amount of profit you made for that month. Now, something I want to note, let's say we go to 2019, for example. Say here, I made $50. Here, I made 80. Here, I made 1,000. Let's put a fictional number here as well, 750. You can see it all calculates, it all tells you everything. Say here, I took 50 trades, I lost 20. Not as efficient. I have a 40% chance of losing. We go back to our financial report. Now you see a lot more information. As you can see, the last year, 2019, I had a $50 gain, $80 gain, $1,000 gain. Compared to the year currently that we're in, it tells you how much a percentage increase you have made compared to the year before. March, this, you lost 25%. It also tells you the same with win and losses. You took 50 wins and you had 25 wins. It tells you right here your percentage, 50% down from last year. It tells you all this. Now, another key thing to note is your year to date has now changed. We now have trends appearing. As you continue to use this Excel sheet, the data will become more clear and you'll be able to see more. Here, you're able to change the year you want to look at. So let's say we want to look at 2019. As you can see, there's no year before 2019. That is why I have it set for 2020. Now, let's say it becomes 2021. A year has passed. All you got to do is change this right here, and it will give you the year from 2020 to the current year. It's a very easy feature. It took some, this Excel sheet definitely took some time, but as you can see, it's very well organized and I believe is very efficient. Now, these are the key metrics as well. What the key metrics do is, I apologize for that, everyone. I received the call. Let me pull this back up. Now, what the key metrics do, this goes and connects to the data, to the financial report. As you can see, we have year-to-date, total win and losses, win, losses. I apologize for that again. If we go to the key metrics, you can see, let's say instead of year-to-date, I want to review. I'll use this example best. These you should try to leave by itself. If you want to change them, feel free. Of course, this is your Excel sheet. It changes back to 2020. As you can see, the month here, January, this is the current month. Well, it is not the current month now, but let's say we want to put it as a current month. We are in April. So you set this as April. You go back to your financial report and you can see it now has data for April. So for every month, you could consistently change this. You could change the year. This is the best way to really take full force of this Excel sheet. Another thing I want to point out, let's say, you have this option trading for 2020. So let's rename option trading Let's say you have a new year. It's now 2021. You want a brand new sheet. You want to do this from the start. Insert sheet. Oops, wrong one. I apologize. Delete. It's duplicate. Spell sheet. Move or copy. So now what you want to do is create a copy. Now you could do this beforehand just to be a little bit more organized. Whichever you prefer, you could, it's not too hard erasing everything. Let's say we want to rename this to Option Trading 2021. As you can see, it's an exact copy. You choose what you like to do. This is all for you. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys can take full full force of this Excel sheet and make it as beneficial to you as possible. If you guys have any questions, please ask them in the society, as many other people might have a question similar. I will be posting this today, and I just wanted to provide this video so you guys can see how to fully utilize this Excel sheet. Now, I appreciate you all for tuning in. Thank you for joining the society. I hope we can continue to grow with you all. And remember to post your profits and loss. I would love to see your progress, see you grow as a trader. And that is all today, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you all in the Discord society. Have a good one. Stay safe and stay healthy.